Stuck in a routine, long hours, we all know the feeling. Have you ever felt like your dreams are getting further and further away with every passing day? Well, today we are here to tell you a story that will reignite that fire in your belly. This is Lionel Messi's story, but it's not what you think.
Me llamo Lionel Messi, tengo 13 años, re lindo. Está allá jugar en el Barcelona, pensar club más grande del mundo.
Lionel Messi wasn't born a superstar. He was a skinny kid from Rosario, Argentina, with a dream that seemed impossible. He was diagnosed with a growth hormone deficiency at a young age. Doctors told him he might never be tall enough to play professionally.
Leo, I'm sorry. You have a growth defect. Your body stopped growing.
No.
They said he was too small, but his dreams were big. But Messi never gave up. He trained relentlessly, honing his skills on the streets. Every sunrise was a new opportunity to prove the doubters wrong. He didn't let limitations define him. His talent eventually caught the eye of scouts from FC Barcelona. He left his family behind at the age of 13 to pursue his dreams in a new country. It wasn't easy. He battled homesickness and grueling training sessions. But his dedication never faltered. He faced challenges, but his passion kept him going. Years of hard work followed. He wasn't just talented, he was obsessed with becoming the best. The little boy, who was told he was too small, was now tearing apart defenses on the world's biggest stage.
Messi, immens Messi, encara 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 Messi.
Relentless hard work turned dreams into reality. Messi was the world's highest paid footballer for 5 years out of 6 between 2009 and 2014. Forbes ranked him the world's highest paid athlete in 2019. Today, Lionel Messi is a legend, a multiple Ballon d'Or winner, a champion who defied all odds. But his story is more than just trophies. It's a testament to the power of human potential. He inspires millions because his journey reflects our own. We all have limitations, we all face doubts, but like Messi, we can overcome them with hard work, dedication, and a burning desire to achieve our goals. What is your dream? Is it collecting dust in a drawer somewhere? What if today is the day you take that first step? Remember, limitations are often self-imposed. It's never too late to chase your dreams. Let Messi's story be your inspiration. Work hard, believe in yourself, and never give up on what truly matters to you. This is your time. Go create your own legacy.